Hi guys, this video is about installing C.A.R.L on your server. So after checkout, you'll be redirected to Gumroad where you find the installation guide and the installer. So you download the installation guide first. I'm putting everything on a folder on my desktop which I called C.A.R.L. So I'm going to download that there and I'm going to download the installer as well. Download that. And if you need help with anything, you can contact support, carriedl.com/support.php, and I can help you if you run into any troubles. But for now, you can close this window. This is all done. About 15 minutes after, oops, this one. 15 minutes after purchase, you're going to receive an email from the licensing servers, so from C.A.R.L, and this is going to contain your email and your temporary password, and it's also going to include an installer token. So this is your installer token. It should be called .carl underscore install underscore token, and this should be on your server with this number inside of it. This is your secret number, so nobody can mess with your install. Okay, so now we go to the server. In cPanel, we're going to File Manager, and the first thing you want to do before you install or anything is create your database. So I'm going to go through the steps of creating a database with you.